Welcome to Excel Tutorial Hub. In this video, you are going to learn how to create a line graph in Excel. Line graphs are a great way to visualize data trends over time. I will start by demonstrating this with a simple data set. So, here we have a list of sales figures over several years. To make a line graph, we need to first highlight this list. Highlight the list, click on Insert Tab, click on Line Chart, select the first chart. Now let's change chart type. Click on Change Chart Type. Select this chart. Click OK. So you can see the vertical displays sales amount and the horizontal displays year and the blue line displays yearly sales. So that's how we can make a line graph in Excel. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, like and share this video and subscribe Excel Tutorial Hub for more interesting videos about Excel.